Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll give you a quick guide how you can easily change brightness in iPhone 14. So when you're gonna have your iPhone 14, what you want to do is simply, there are two ways how you can do it. The first way is, let's say I'm in home page right now, and I'm going on the top right, and you will just like swipe it. So go top right and swipe, and then you can easily change the brightness right here, see? Or this is the first way how you can do it, like the most effective way, I believe. Or you can simply go to settings and let's find it together. We can go here and under control center, you're going to find display and brightness. Click on it. And then you're going to have a brightness here. See? And you can easily change it right here. And this is pretty much it, how you can easily change brightness in iPhone 14. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day, and see ya and goodbye.